Warm day in Saskatchewan, 12th of December. It's right on about the thawing, freezing point. So I've been meaning to move this Eldorado out of the way, because I don't think I'm going to be working on it in the winter. So it's been sitting for about a month. I'm guessing the carburetor's drained right out. Battery doesn't sound too lively. Not bad. Alright, sounds good. Let it warm up a little and see if we can move. Something funny about the shifter on here, it's hard to find reverse. There we go. Okay, the visibility is going to be terrible. I don't want to open this window because it's hard to get it to shut properly. And we got snow on the windshield. Should have pretty good traction with that big engine over the front driving wheels. Alright, this'll do for now. That window does not shut the way I'd like it to. That's as good as it gets. Wiring is messed up a little bit. Backup lights are on and I'm in neutral. Oh well. And we gotta be in park to shut her off. There you go. Anyway. Our second cold start of the day, although technically this is not cold. I did have the block heater plugged in, so it should go pretty easy. Relatively warm day at 30, 31 degrees or so. I'll give her some choke anyway. Get it to warm up a little with the cardboard because I'm not going to be driving in any distance at all. But I would like it to warm up. Basically what I'm doing is putting it back in its normal parking place over there. So that means there's two more engines in there I got to start up. I don't know if there's enough juice here to run two block heaters at once. Got a really draggy clutch on here when it's cold. No interior light. Seems a bit odd. Did I disconnect that battery? No. Well, get the choke set. See what happens. Oh, that battery is history. Oh, yeah. All right, to be continued. I guess, to be fair, that battery has been a little questionable all summer long. On a hot start, I was a little hesitant. So it looks like we have finally reached the end of its life. So I'm hoping I can just give it a boost and get it going for today, rather than try to borrow a battery out of something else like the Cadillac. But we'll see what happens. Okay, we want maximum boost 12 volts. Now we got interior lights. Tells you something right there. Oh, it's dark in here. These big boots, I can't hardly get them on the gas pedal. We are live. Something weird on the carburetor settings on here. It idles slower when it's cold than it does when it's hot. Hot idle up around 1,000 RPM. Now when it's cold, I can't even get 500 out of it. It's got all the emissions control junk still on it, and there's probably something in there. There's various adjustments which I don't know how to do, so I'll just sit here and hold my foot on the gas pedal till it's warmed up enough to idle.